Okay, children, welcome to our second class session, science. We have to go to the application book. You get application book means you buy the textbooks. It will come environment science. That is, there is no social up here. Then you have to get environment science course book, environment science application book. Then you have to get the two types of textbooks. Course book belongs to text lessons. Application book. Two types of textbooks are there. One is that course book and application book. Then children, you should buy the textbooks. Then you got English, two set of books. EVS, environment science textbooks, you have to get two books. And maths, you have to get two books. One is the course book and one is the application book. English also application book and course book. EVS also application book and course book you can get. Then application books also bring to answers to that. In the textbook or application book is belonging to fill in the blank, worksheets. Each lesson have worksheets. There 3-4 worksheets are there. 3-4 worksheets are there. See, look at the textbook. Same belongs the colors also there. Then we have to give in that application book. This is belongs to the question answers. You have to open the textbook first. Application of textbook. That is worksheet number 1.1. You get page number 1. You can my family lesson application lesson name first one my family. That is worksheet number 1.1 you can get. Is there some pictures are there? Complete the family. Is there some fill in the blanks? Missing letters, fill the lines. You have to complete the blanks. Okay now? First we have to write the answers of textbook. Yes, in application book page number 3 you open. Worksheet number 1.2, application book page number 3, worksheet number 1.2. Then you have to see the question answers. Then you have to see the question answers. See, look at that application book, open and look at the page number 3, open. Worksheet number 1.2, open. Then your first question is there. Answer the questions. Who are family members? Who are family members? The people who are part of a family are called family members. Who are the family members? The people who are part of a family are called family members. Example, parents, uncle, aunt and grandparents, etc. One more time look at who are family members. The people who are part of our family are called family members. Example, parents, uncle, aunt, grandparents, etc. First question, who are family members? Here, first answer should write with finger gap, don't write mistakes. Second question, who are siblings? Who are siblings? Sibling means blood relations. Then our both brothers and sisters are called siblings. Who are siblings? Our both brothers and sisters are called siblings. Our both brothers and sisters are called siblings. They are our siblings. Second question over. Second answer over. You should write here with finger gap. Next, who are grandparents? Who are grandparents? Fathers or mothers of our parents are called grandparents. Fathers, parents. Who are father wala father wala mother. Our grandparents. Nanamma tatayya. What is a joint family? What is a joint family? Yes, we know that in types of families are there. We have to learn in this lesson. That is three types are there. One is small family or nuclear family, joint family or big family, and single parent family. We have to learn about the lesson while we have first session lessons are in CBS. We have to learn. Then here question is there. Turn the page number 4 to get the question. What is a joint family? That parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins and siblings. Siblings are living together in the same house is called joint family. One more time. What is a joint family? Parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins and siblings live same house. Live same house is called joint family. Understand? Yes. Should up to here 4 question answers we have to finish page number 2, page number 3 in application book worksheet 1.2. You should write in this finger gap one word to another word. Then you must open page number 1. Here some missing letters are there. First one is that grandparents, grandfather. First one is grandfather. I am writing here grandfather. First missing letter grandfather. Second, tell me. Second, brother. Second, brother. Yes. Third, sister. Third, sister. Missing letters. Fourth, tell me. Huh? Tell me, Nana. Fourth one, grand. Just I am giving hint. Not saying properly. Tell me. Yes, granddaughter. Yes, good, good. What is that? Yes, granddaughter. Fifth one, father. Sixth one, tell me. Brother. Are you understand? Yes. Look here. First missing letter, grandfather, brother, sister, granddaughter, father and brother. There are the 6 missing letters in there. Understand? Next, turn the page, name. See, look here. Name the family members of Zoya. That our lesson is there. Name the family members of Zoya. Name the family members of Zoya. So look here. Sister of Zoya's father. What? sister of Zoya's father. Aunt. Should write there. First one, aunt. Second one, father of Zoya's mother. Father of Zoya's mother, grandmother. Second one, understand? Grandmother. Third one, son of Zoya's mother. Son of Zoya's mother. What? Brother. Yes. Fourth one, daughter of Zoya's aunt. What we can call her? We can call her cousin. What is that? Cousin. Fifth one, wife of Zoya's uncle. Wife of Zoya's uncle. She also called aunt. First one is a grandmother. One word answer. Second one, first one aunt, Zoya's father sister. Second one grandmother. Third one brother. Fourth one cousin. Fifth one, tell me. Fifth one, aunt. Then we have to learn about that first worksheet. And we have to learn page number 3, worksheet 1.2 question answers. Then we should write the 4 question answers. Then and keep the photograph and send it to the WhatsApp group to the box. Okay, now write with finger gap.